So we cut a cone from a cube. The cube is yeah, so the cube is volume's length by width by height. And what you get for that? Centimeters cubed. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to remove half a cylinder from it. So we're going to remove pi r squared h, which is the volume of a cylinder, but it's going to be halved. So I'll tell you now, we're going to get 3.14 times, what's the radius of the cone? It is 9. And what's the height? There you go. So 3.14 times 9 times 18, 9 squared times 18. And what you get? 1,253.88. Take that away from your 5,832. This is well in your wheelhouse for doing, isn't it? What you get?
I put it in wrong. 4,578.76.
4,578. And once again, it wants to the nearest whole number, so we'll just go 7, 8, yeah. Centimeters cubed. Now, what's a bit harder, I said earlier, what's a bit harder is the surface area of the cone, isn't it? Oh, sorry, surface area. So, what we're going to do is we're going to do A, B, and C are the bottom, the right, and the left. And the bottom, right, and left are all 18 by. So that's A, B, and C. Is that okay? And what is 18 by 18? 224? 324. Is everybody is 18 by 18 not 324? Alright. Are we okay with that? Okay. Now, would you also agree that the front and the back... Actually, we'll just start with the front one. Does everybody see the... Does everybody see this one? Okay. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to do 18 times 18. Which we all know is 300 and then we're going to take away a semicircle. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 18 by 18, which is 324, but we're going to minus the area of a semicircle. Now an area of a semicircle is quite simply half the area of a circle. So, pi r squared. And what's the pi button we're using? 3.14? So it's 3.14 r squared. Alright, go on guys, do that now. Shh. Is that everything in the red writing? All in one go? Did people do everything in the red writing? In the calculator in one go? What you get? Anybody? 196.83? Anybody else get 196.83? Okay. There's two of them though, isn't there?
Yeah.
There's one at the front and there's one at the back. That's your square missing a semicircle, yeah? Okay, so that means I need two of them. Which means I might multiply this answer by 2. And what do I get? 393.66. So I currently have the 324 3 times. I have the front and the back side added together to give me 393.66. The only thing I'm lacking is the this blue region here. Everybody see it? Now this blue region is half a cylinder. So a full cylinder is 2 pi r h. However, half a cylinder would be divide that answer by 2. And then 2 divided by 2 is just pi r h, isn't it? So, somebody do pi r h for me. Pi times 9 times 18. What you get? Oh, 3.14. Did you use 3.14? And what you get? 508.68. Okay. Shh. Lads, very easy to get the full answer now. Plus the 5 of them. 1874 point. Units. Centimeters. Cubes. To the nearest whole number. Okay. To the nearest whole number, 1874, yeah. Alright. You ready? Okay. This is where it gets difficult. More difficult. It gives me the volume of a cylinder. Agreed? So by logic's sake, I should write down the volume of a cylinder formula. And I go, here we go. The volume of a cylinder is 350 pi. Volume. Does everybody know what phi CYL means? There you go. Genius. Now. Okay. Now. Write all known values into the formula. Well, we know pi. Do we know r? No, sure, that's the point of part 3, isn't it? Okay. Do we know h? What? And we know that that's 350 pi. Now, here's what we're going to do now. Okay. We have to solve this for part 3. Is that okay? So for part 3, to figure out the r value. Alright. Who knows what to do? The first things first, if there's a pi on both sides, and pi is being multiplied on both sides, the pi doesn't matter. Get rid of the pi's. And then it's 14r squared equals 350, and r is correct. You divide 350 by 14, what you get? If it's multiply on the left, it's division on the right. And then you square root the answer. Did I go over this with you before? The only thing I'll give you is the volume of the cylinder formula, okay? Right, here we go. So, you replace pi with pi. Radius you do not know. Height you know is 8. And the answer is 288 pi. The pi's are on both sides. Cancel the pi's. And then, exactly. Now, what's going to happen next is it's going to be 8r squared equals 288. Divide the 288 by 8 and what you get? 36. And then square root of 36. And there you go. Happy days. Same problem in 5th year. So people are asking me, look, sir, you can't write h in the calculator. Look, I know. First of all, in the calc. And here's what we're going to do. You write pi 6 squared h. You just don't use the calculator yet. It's the real idea. So the idea is h wants to be on its own. Is it on its own? No. So what you technically do is you technically move the pi and the 6 squared. You technically move that underneath. And then all you do is pi cancels pi. And then you do 360 divided by 6 squared, which is 360 divided by 36. And that gets you the h value of 10. The whole point is you move the equation around so that the h is on its own, so you never ever have to enter it into the calculator. Is that right? Another way of doing this question would have been to cancel the pi's at the beginning, square out the 6, and just go, well, 36h is 360. And then go, well, the h wants to be on its own. 360 divided by 36. H is 10.